Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so inspired by this makeup artist. She goes by Jill Powell Glam on Instagram, and she's a celebrity makeup artist. And Demi Lovato posted some photos of this look right here. And I'm literally obsessed with the look. It is so gorgeous. When I see this photo and I want to recreate it, I sometimes wish I had my dark hair. But it's just so pretty. I love it. And the gifts my boyfriend got me for Christmas was the Sephora editorial palette. Woo! And I've been wanting this for so long. I want to start doing colorful looks. I want to start using different shades. I am picking up the shade Maisha and I'm applying that right into my crease. So I'm going to do a voiceover for this just so I can really focus on the makeup. And I also want to state that I do not know any of the products that the makeup artist used for this look. I am just recreating to the best of my ability. I then picked up the shade Electric Violet and I'm applying that into my crease as well, underneath the first shade that we used. I did want to keep a lot of the footage so you guys can see how much I'm actually blending for this look, because this look is really all about blending. My foundation and concealer and all of that was done prior because I filmed a video how to apply foundation, so I will link that down below if you want to see the video. I'm then picking up the shade Chris and I'm applying that right on my lid, and it is a light blue, and I'm using this as a base for the next color I'm going to be applying. This look really consists of kind of doing like a rough draft and then as you're going adding more colors and just adding it the best way to make it look like the photo. And then I'm going back in with the shade Electric Violet, and I'm blending that above the blue and underneath the pink, just so it's a nice blended faded look. And now I'm going to wet my flat brush and I'm going to be applying the shade Dina, and I'm putting that all over my lid. And when you spray it with any type of Fix Plus or anything like that, it's going to bring the pigmentation even more vibrant. And now I'm going back in with the shades Maisha and Electric Violet, and I'm just reapplying them, and I'm just going back and forth with the colors. And now I picked up the shade 80 and I'm applying that in my outer V. It's like a dark purple, and I'm just deepening it up so it's an even more ombre faded type of look. We're going to take a break on the eyes and we're going to apply lashes, and I'm using Kiss of Lashes in number 11. And now I'm just referring back to the image, and I'm really liking how it came out so far, but we're going to go ahead with the lashes and we're going to come back to the eyes in a minute. And now I'm starting with my brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. I hate using dip brow. I like a powder or a pencil better these days, but since her eyebrows were really dark and fierce, I wanted to do the same as well. And then for my lower lash line, I'm applying the blue shade that we put on our lid first, and then I'm going under it with the purple shade, the Electric Violet, just so it gives it a really blended look. Now I'm going back in with the shades that we used originally on our crease, and like I said, I like to keep going back and just keep touching it up and just keep adding more colors to my liking. So for the lid, in her picture, she had kind of like sparkles on it, except it wasn't like sparkles, it was just dots of iridescent. So I'm going to be taking the shade Ice in the palette, and I'm going to be using my finger and applying that right on top of the blue. And I really love how it came out. It really just left it really iridescently. It didn't add any pigment or anything like that, it just made it more shiny. So I'm just applying some mascara, and then I also applied eyeliner in my waterline, and I was just blending that out with a pencil as well, so it gives it like a smudge look. And for lips, I'm just using this pink shade with the nude lip gloss. I don't have the shades in my head right now. I will link it down below. But that will complete this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will see you all in my next video.